Hey guys, we're here at the second waterfall at the Brandywine Zoo area, and this is unreal. The water is just coming down. Tremendous power out of this river here. On the top right hand side you have a small wall, but the rest of it's completely open, so I'm not going to get too close. I don't want to be sliding in because it's pretty icy right here right now. Look at the power of that water coming down. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And then you have all the ice over here on the left hand side of the screen here. Beautiful. Yeah, this is about as far as I was gonna go and be safe. It's good to be safe and do your filming. And here I got back just a little bit more so I can get a little bit more elevation, get a better shot. You really have to see that in person, to believe it. It's totally awesome. Check it out, guys. It is absolutely beautiful here.